Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base 3 the king of curries vindaloo. Before I start, please take a second to subscribe, like and click the notification bell. Thank you. To make BIR style vindaloo from scratch, you will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 small grated onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 2 Kashmiri chilies, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 3 to 4 teaspoons of hot chili powder, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3 cardamom pods, seeds only, 2.5 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 7 tablespoons of water, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, 2 tomato slices, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves and 400 milliliters of hot water. Start by adding the oil to a pan on medium heat and adding the star anise and bay leaf. Fry for 60 seconds, stirring occasionally until they become aromatic. Now add the onions, garlic and ginger paste. Chop up green and Kashmiri chilies and stir continuously for around 60 seconds. I find the best way to create my from scratch recipes is to puree the onions. They cook really quick and it enables you to create a dish in the same time as using base gravy. If you don't have a way of pureeing them, then simply grate them as fine as possible, but cook gently until they soften before moving on to the next step. Add the Kashmiri chili powder, mix through and allow to fry gently for a minute. Add a little hot water if it's looking dry. It's fine to add some at any time when needed. Remember, you're looking to gently fry the spices, not burn them. Tip over the chili powder, spice mix, coriander powder, cumin, sugar, fennel, salt, turmeric, pepper and cardamom seeds. Mix in well to form your vindaloo paste, adding a small amount of hot water at any time if required to keep the paste loose. Continue to fry for a further minute. If you ever have gritty or grainy curries, it's most likely that you're not cooking out the spices for long enough at this stage. Turn up the heat to high and add in the watered down tomato paste and mix thoroughly. Allow to cook out for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce the acidity in the tomatoes. Sprinkle over the fresh chopped coriander, then add your choice of protein. I'm using raw chicken as I'm making the whole dish from scratch, but you can always use pre-cooked meat for convenience. Stir through well, ensuring the meat is covered in the vindaloo paste to prevent it from drying out. Add half of the remaining water and continue to fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the rest of the hot water and tomato slices and carefully stir through. Tip over the vinegar and garam masala, stir through, then remove the star anise and bay leaf. Have a play around with which vinegar you prefer. This time I've used malt vinegar. Sprinkle over the dried fenugreek leaves and allow to reduce to your desired consistency without stirring unless the sauce looks like it's about to burn. please remember to like and leave a comment below. And if you're not already subscribed, it would be great to have you on board. Check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.